Hi there, my name's Luis, and in this video we're going to be exploring the Ask Me Anything app on Koji, and we're going to be adding it to our profile. Ask Me Anything is an internet classic, and it's one of the best ways to build a more intimate and authentic relationship with your audience, so I definitely recommend you adding something like this to your profile if you're looking to have some fun and engage with your audience. So let's go ahead and add it to our profile. You can see I have my profile pulled up here on my phone. I'm going to tap on Manage at the top left, and from there I can go in and edit my profile. Now I can scroll down to the very bottom here, and I'll just add a new app or link, and you'll want to look around for the Ask Me Anything icon. It's pink, it says Ask in the center. And here you can check out the preview of the app itself. So you'll notice that in this Ask Me Anything, it's pretty unique because it has a cover photo or video, and then the responses are all done in video as well, which is something that is really cool and unique to this app. So let's go ahead and use this app. We'll add it to our profile. And like most apps on Koji, you'll need to add a cover photo or video and a short description here. So let's go ahead and do that as our intro here. So I'm going to tap on add, and we will take a photo or video here. So we'll go ahead and switch to video, and we'll say something like, "Hey everybody, my name's Luis, and if you have questions for me, feel free to ask below. Submit your questions. I'm here to answer all of your questions, and I look forward to seeing them." All right, you know what to do. Ask away. So now you can review a preview of your video. I'm just going to tap on Use Video, and it'll take a second to upload and transcode, but when it's all done, you'll be able to see a preview of that inside of your creation page here. So now let's go ahead and add a description. I'm going to say Ask Me Anything, and you can type whatever you want in here. You can see you have a 250 character limit, which is plenty of space to say whatever you'd like to say. So one of the things that is unique to this Ask Me Anything is that you can charge per question. So if you're somebody who has a lot of people asking you a lot of questions and maybe you don't have time to answer all of them, this would be a good way to filter through spammers or anything like that. I'm going to keep it at 0 because I'm just having fun with it. I just want to engage my audience. I don't really feel the need to charge for it, but you have the option if you want it. And then we have a couple of configurations here. So we have show answered questions, and what that does is it'll let anybody see all of the questions that are submitted. So if that is turned off, then people can submit questions, but you won't be able to see those questions in the feed until they're actually answered. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. And then the second thing I'll want to turn on is moderation. And that's going to allow me to delete questions if there are like spam questions or any questions that I don't want to appear on the feed. With moderation turned on, I'll be able to moderate the entire thing. Now, if you're charging, there's some information down at the bottom. You'll have 7 days to fulfill the request for an answer to the question. So after 7 days, if there's no reply, your audience member will get refunded. You don't have to do anything to refund it, which is nice. That's all you need to do to set this thing up. So let's go ahead and tap next, and we'll see a little preview of it, and we can tap publish here. And now we'll want to add the link details to our Koji profile. You can see it says Ask Me Anything. It's pre-filled out pretty well. I don't really feel the need to change anything, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. The last thing I am going to do while I'm editing is just reorder this because I actually want my Ask Me Anything at the top. So I tapped reorder, I tapped and held my link, and now I can save the order there. And you can see Ask Me Anything is now at the top here. So I will go ahead and save my profile. And now people can ask me anything. So let's go ahead and preview and see what this looks like. So if people tap on Ask Me Anything, they can see the video preview here at the top. And then they can submit their question below. So there are no questions currently, obviously, but if they tap on Submit a Question, they'll be able to type whatever they want. So we can say something like, what is your favorite color? There we go. And people can add their name. That's totally optional. I'm going to go ahead and leave it anonymous, and we will post the question. Now, when people visit your Ask Me Anything, Koji will ask them if they want to receive a notification when their question's answered. They'll need to be signed in and allow the notification in order to post the question. Now we can see that there is a question in the feed, and you'll be able to filter your posts. You can see only unanswered questions, your responses, or all of the posts. As the creator, you'll be able to record your response. So it says, what's your favorite color? Let's go ahead and record our response. We can upload or record a video here. So I'm going to go ahead and record my response. Let's go ahead and enable the camera. And it might ask you for permissions. Once you give it permissions, it'll open up the camera. There we go. And we can start recording. Hey there. So my favorite color is blue and green and purple. Those are my 3 favorite colors. Orange is pretty cool too. I can never make up my mind. My favorite color is changing all the time. Okay. Hope that answered your question. Thanks so much. So you can see a preview of your reply, and when you're ready, you can go ahead and post it to your Ask Me Anything feed. So now you can see that our video reply is uploaded, and it comes in a nice little card here, and people can scroll through this entire feed of all the questions and all of the responses, and they can submit their own question at any time. And now it is in my Koji profile, and that means it's in my link in bio, which means anybody can ask me anything from my link in bio, which is pretty cool. So I hope you learned a little bit about the Ask Me Anything app. If you're interested and want to learn more, we have other resources that will be linked below. That's all I have for this video, and we will see you next time.